The Waqf Amendment Bill is all set to be tabled, introduced by the government in the Lok Sabha tomorrow. And amid that, the BJP is readying their strategy to ensure they have the adequate numbers and strength in the Lok Sabha to ensure its smooth passage, considering the opposition is up in arms against this particular bill. The NDA is set to issue a whip for its MPs. Reportedly, the Minority Affairs Minister, Kiren Rijiju, who in all likelihood will be introducing that bill, has spoken also to the whips of not just the BJP, but of other members of the NDA as well. In all, the BJP is getting together its strategy, confirming who will be speaking in Parliament on the Waqf Amendment Bill. The focus is going to be on not provocative speeches, but on throwing light of what exactly the Waqf Amendment Bill will do and how exactly the government has been saying this. It doesn't target one particular community. Piyush Mishra is joining us live with more details on this. Piyush, this is going to be a test for the BJP, considering how vociferously the opposition has been voicing their dissent to this particular bill. Take us through really how the BJP is firming up its strategy for tomorrow.
Well, Akshita, what we're now learning is that the government is holding meetings with various constituents of NDA, and Kiren Rijiju has also met with a few leaders from NDA and has requested their support for the bill. At the same time, what we're learning is that NDA is also in touch with a few constituents of India Alliance to have a robust strategy so that the bill can be passed, which is all set to be tabled tomorrow. Sources are suggesting that tomorrow the Waqf Amendment Bill could be again tabled in Parliament, and the discussion on that bill can take place. What we're also learning is that at 12:30 p.m. There will be a meeting of Business Advisory Committee where all the members of various opposition political parties and from the government will be present, where the discussion on the business of the House for the remaining days will take place. And in that meeting, most likely the government is going to brief about the Waqf Amendment Bill, which is likely to be brought tomorrow in Lok Sabha. BJP has already got numbers. The NDA support is also there with BJP, TDP, JDU, LGP. All we have spoken to all of them now. All of them have now extended their support. But on the other side, the India Alliance is completely opposing this. The sources within the BJP have told us that the government is in touch with various ally partners of India Alliance and also with few independents. We'll have to see how the day goes when this bill is again tabled in Parliament for passing and consideration.
On board, there was a question mark on that as well, but the BJP managing to get their allies on board. Tomorrow we'll see how things really play out in Parliament. But thanks for the moment, Piyush, for joining us with those details.